in a stairwell on metal. The backing alone can be put on the door, so this way if you want to have light when opening up. On the side of a fridge. In the bathroom in low-lit situations or hallways. Or walking into a bathroom at nighttime to light up. From the makers of hyperdigi. It is a 144 LED light underneath the cabinet. With the 1500 mAh battery, 2-pack, nicely packaged. You have magnetic self-adhesive stickers, USB-C cables, and glue. A hardware accessory package for your LEDs. Your control area. You have your switches to turn it on and off, color adjustment, threshold adjustable, delay adjustable, flashing mode, and low battery alert. We have on the switch here, dim, the next level, brighter, all 4 lights at this brightest, and back to the 2 lights. The next level changes to kelvins. As you can see, all the 5 kelvins. And then the last one is the brightness level. Peel the adhesive off, place where the magnet's at, and hang up. The unit charges via USB-C with the red LED indicator. The 3 LEDs by the finger over here turn on, and the 5 temperature control, pressing it once, a long press. You have 3 LEDs, short pressing it, 1 for 10 seconds, 2 for 15, 3 for 20. And if you want 10 seconds, allow the unit to reset, and then choose the temperature you like, and 10 seconds later, the light will light up. We'll place our light underneath the desk. With no movement for 10 seconds or so, the light will go off. And when it senses movement to the PIR sensor, the light will go on. The 2-pack under cabinet lighting can be put anywhere imaginable. In the car, in an RV, a camper, take it with you in the tent for portable light and more. For those stairways, those hallways, in the gazebo, indoors by the garage. I hope you enjoy your product. If this is something that you are looking for in a lighting system to change your lights to different types of kelvins, 5 temperatures, and auto dimming settings. Enjoy your product if this lighting is for you.